Your feelings new. I'm sending waves to you.
Addressing all the hot girls and all the hot boys. No, I'm just kidding. Hey y'all, it's your girl Marie Christine, aka Ma Cherie, and I'm hitting you with another Ma Cherie Monday video. This week I did a makeup tutorial, nothing too, crazy, something slight, trying to get your little hot girl summer points up, come at the crew with something light and airy, you didn't do too much, but you damn sure didn't do too little, you feel me? Yeah, and I topped it off with a little Bantu knot vibe. I didn't include that in the video, but if you guys want another video on how I did this little Rihanna type of vibe look, comment below and I'll let you know. Yeah, but anyways, make sure that you like the video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and subscribe by the end of the video. I'm trying to get the numbers up, so yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr setting powder, the darker out of the shades below, to kind of mattify my face. I got this tip from It's My Raye. Shout out to my girl, because Lord knows I get oily throughout the day, especially if I'm like working a double shift, or you just have an extra long day, you out, you don't get the chance to touch up your makeup. I have problem areas, so these are all of the areas that I'm gonna try to seal and lock down now. Seal the deal. Ain't nobody got the time to be out here shining. I'm good for that too. Break out the camera, look at the Snapchat, should be shining brighter than a diamond. Ain't got time, and nobody will tell you either. Not sure if you guys could tell, but I had already did my eyebrows, and this is just me setting my eyelid area with the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep pressed setting powder. And I just use like a brush that's slightly bigger than a regular eyeshadow brush, nothing special. I think it came in one of my BH cosmetic packages. So now it is time to break out the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh my gosh, it's one of my faves. Such vibrant colors, also very deep hues at the same time. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with a few shades. You can kind of just follow along with the pattern. I'll point them out as I go along. But I'm not really at a cut crease stage yet. But I promise you girls, I'll get there. For real though, for real. Goals. Obviously I was jamming. Don't pay any attention to the extraness. I didn't know Pandora had so many commercials, by the way. I was trying to go hands-free and I didn't want to listen to like one straight album, and they just kept coming back to back, and then I remembered why I didn't use Pandora. I literally said I should have used Apple Radio, which I've never actually used. Comment below if you use Apple Radio. How is it? Is it something I should look into? Do I need to give up Pandora? Is that something I need to let go of? after applying the LA Girl concealer, I'm just applying a base color pink so that when I add the glitter pink, it'll be even more, you know, exuberant and extra, like me. And right here, I was using the Shea Moisture Smoothing Toner and Hydrating Mist, just basically to hydrate my eyeshadow brush so that my glitter shadow would stick on, you know, a little bit brighter. Alright, I think we can dust off old Sally and see what matte template we're working with now. And it's a NYX type of day, so we're going to be working with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade of Mocha. I got this at the beauty supply, so yeah, probably for like a few dollars, definitely under 10. Very affordable makeup. And I guess it goes without saying, I'm blending right now. Yeah, I am blending some more. Definitely going through that weird like time where it's like time for me to find a new foundation shade, but I have not made my way to Sephora yet, so keeping this NYX train going. We're gonna go with the Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. I got this at Target, I believe. I use this with both the Total Drop Foundation and the Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. And coming through with those big girl tips once again. From Jackie Aina herself, I have the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer. And this shade is, yes, no, definitely not within my range. It's actually very light, it's deep tan, but I used it in order to kind of offset my under eye area, especially where I kind of have that like deep set line. So I want to do anything I can to reflect the attention away from that. So that's what that was for. And we're breaking back out the Fenty. This time we're going to be using the shade Honey to set all of the areas that I've used concealer. I don't know, it's something about using like two different shades of setting powder really makes me feel like I did all of like my undertones justice. I don't know, weird logic, whatever, sue me. I am definitely a blush type of girl, so today I'll be using the BH Cosmetics palette. It's actually a duo palette. It has eyeshadow and blush, and I'll be linking that below. Oh my god, oh my god. So this is like my favorite part. We get to use the It's My Raye palette by BH Cosmetics. When I tell you this palette is like literally everything. It has eyeshadow, it has contour, it has highlights, and it is life. Okay people, it is life. I literally use it for almost everything. And because I have oily skin, I try to stray away now that I've like learned more away from like cream contour, and I lean more heavily towards the powder contours. So this palette is definitely perfect for me and my 5-6 o'clock oily skin. Did I call that palette a duo? I meant a triple threat. I know you see this fan action going on. I know you see it.